Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. We have a very quick wax extraction for you. So we've got some very deep-seated, quite thin wax in the ear canal, so in the inner third of the canal there, completely blocking the ear up. So our patient's been suffering with a bit of hearing loss. So we're just going to go in with a standard size Zollner tube just to get a grip on the outside edge of the wax first of all. See if we can just start breaking this wax down from the edges first before we take the centre away. You can see where the wax has been adhering to the canal wall, so we're trying to break that away first because it's going to hold this centre section in, and if we try and remove this, so you can see just peeling away here. There we are. So quite a bit of this is getting sucked straight into the in the machine, so it'll end up at the little tank at the front of our machine there. There we go, just breaking that bit of wax down. Now, as I'm taking this out, you can see this, but before I can even get it off the end of the suction, it's being pulled into the machine. So just getting this last piece away. There we go, it's all come away in one big chunk. And you can see that getting sucked in as we're pulling out of the ear. When we go back in, lovely shiny eardrum, looks really healthy, squeaky clean, no issues there. This is the tank that we collect the wax in. You can see there's some water where I've just flushed the machine through, so all little bits of wax settled at the bottom there. Well, thanks again for watching our video today, and as always guys, if you like the videos then please share, subscribe and like, and take care.